No, it's all love. No, it's all love.
Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, here on YouTube and TikTok. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking on my channel. I appreciate you so much. And for my loyal subscribers, how your sister, your mother, your cousin, your daughters, your sons, your nieces and nephews, how they doing? How's everybody in your family doing? I hope you're having a great day. So today we are doing my cash envelopes and the saving challenge. And we're going to see how much we have so far for January. So I did get new envelopes. I did make them, and these envelopes should be live on my website and also with the wallets. So here we go. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see. I'm probably gonna zoom in just a little bit. Alrighty. So let's get started. For gas, we're gonna do 30 for gas. I'm doing this for 1 week. So gas gets 30 for right now. I might add more later. Groceries will get $100. Cause you know everything is going up. Like this inflation business, I feel like they taking it a little bit too far. Like everything is like increasing. And I also heard like, you know, eggs was like almost $10. That's crazy. I hope you guys are doing good. And I hope you guys are trying to deal with this inflation. Like comment down below to see like how you guys are doing with this inflation, because it is going crazy. So at 5, 7, 9, we put $10. $10 in fast food, because I really am trying to eat at home. Because I've noticed like my DoorDash, I've been DoorDashing a lot. That's probably why I'm not cash stuffing that much today, because all my money basically went to DoorDash. It's just horrible. But let me see, because I know we still have to do our January challenge. So let's see here, and miscellaneous. Let's see, 3, 4, 5. We put $5 in miscellaneous, because that's going to be my blessing. I am going to make an envelope for blessing, but these are just the envelopes that I'll have on my website. And I'll have like the option, like I have the pre-made ones, and I'll have the ones that you can customize. Like you could pick which ones you want on there. But the ones that was coming with the envelope, with the wallet bundle, it will be like the pre-made envelopes. So I have $5 miscellaneous. Big girl snacks. I'm gonna put let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna put $4 in big girl snacks, because I really am trying to cut that down too. So that's all we have for today. It's not a big one, but it's only like what we can do for now. So let's go from there. We're done with that. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. There we go. And then I will do my saving challenges. These are the monthly ones. And I know I need to, I am gonna write like monthly saving challenges on here. I just haven't had the time to do it right now. But let's see. So we have our 50. So we're gonna color in our $50 bottle. And then we have 10 and a 5. So I need to remember to get a $5 for that. And then I'll just, yeah. Cause I have 10, I just need the 5. Oop. So let's see, we've been doing really good. You know, I have been trying to challenge myself. So we're gonna see how much we have. And I have my $5 challenge too. But we have 5, 100, 150, 70, 80, put that right there, 80, 90, oh, 200, that's pretty good, 210, what did I say, 210, I'm gonna write it down, I'll put it right there, 210, so we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So we have 275 saved so far for January, which I think is doing so good, you guys. So I'm gonna try to use that together. Put these back, and then I have to remember to put in a 5, and then we're gonna do the 40, and then we're gonna do that for next week. That will be the last week of January, and then we will come back to do a final count to see how much we save for the month of January. So we have 275. Okay, I'm gonna show you the envelopes that I have that's available on our website. So you'll get to choose an envelope, a keychain. The keychains will be picked at random. I could choose, let me show you. So this is the other color. It's like a nude, light pink kind of color, but I feel like it's more nude color. But this is what it looks like. And then here's the keychain for the bundles. And these will be picked randomly. I'll try to match them with the colors. Like, I'll try to match them as best as I can. But if you do ever like a certain color, then you could put it in the little box, like in your notes, and just, you know, I'll try to get that color. So this is like the cheetah print one that will be with the bundle. And then I got lips. And then I got like the minimal. And then I got my hearts. Like, these are really good for Valentine's Day. Like, the one with the hearts will have the big girl snacks on that one, because I had an extra girl, so I was like, oh, well, I don't want to leave her out, so it might be like a couple cents more, not too much for the extra envelope, but that is what these will look like. So that will be with the bundle. And then there will be an option if you just want the envelope, or you just want the wallet too. And the wallet, they'll all have these keychains, girl. They'll all have the chain that goes with it. So it'll come with the wallet and the chain if you just opt out for just the wallet. It won't come with the keychain. The keychain will only be with the bundle. But I'll also make a separate listing if you want, like, just like, you know, the keychain. It'll be a separate listing on my website. And they'll all be, I'll try to put it all under the cash wallets. So you'll see, like, these will also be under the cash envelopes. And they'll come in the A7 or the A6. They'll be the same, like the A6 or the A7. There'll be two listings. One will be the pre-made ones, which will be these. And if you just want the A6 or the A7, these will be pre-made. And then there will be another listing that is the customized. If you want an A7 or the A6 will also be on there. And if you want them customized, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be 5 envelopes for the customization. So there'll be 2 listings. That'll kind of look like this, but one will be pre-made and the other one will be customized. Like, it won't have the option to customize. So that's how you'll know that you're in the pre-made ones. But this is what these ones look like. Okay, so that's why I opt out for the pre-made ones, because it will help me get them out faster. And because the customized ones will take a little bit longer because they'll be made to order. But these ones will already be made. So I'm so excited. Yep, so excited. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.